Nanyang Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Nanyang Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Booklet A. Question 1. Which of the following numbers has the digit 5 in the hundreds place? The number that has the digit 5 in the hundreds place will be 3529. The answer is 2. Question 2. Write 9471 in words. (9,471) is equal to, add 9,000 to 400 to 70 and to 1. The answer is 1. Question 3. Arrange the following four numbers from the smallest to the greatest: 9099, 9709, 9802, 9690. Let us compare the four numbers from the thousands place. All the four numbers start with digit 9. Let us compare next on the hundreds place. The digit 0 will be the smallest, followed by 6, 7, and 8. The smallest number will be 9099, followed by 9690, then followed by 9709, and lastly 9802. The answer is 4. Question 4. What is the difference between 3107 and 5766? The difference between 3107 and 5766 is 2659. The answer is 3. Question 5. Find the value of divide 56 by 7. The value of divide 56 by 7, and the quotient is 8. The answer is 3. Question 6. What is the product of 628 and 6? The product of 628 and 6 is 3768. The answer is 4. Question 7. Find the value of divide 177 by 3. The value of divide 177 by 3 is 59. The answer is 2. Question 8. What is the missing amount of money? Add $4.30 to $38.80, and the sum is. Add $4.30 to $38.80, and the sum is $43.10. The answer is 2. Question 9. What is the missing number in the number pattern below? Missing number: 2233, 2533, 2833, 3133. Subtract 2233 from 2533, and the difference is 300. Subtract 2533 from 2833, and the difference is 300. Subtract 2833 from 3133, and the difference is 300. The missing number will be: subtract 300 from 2233, and the difference is 1933. The answer is 3. Question 10. What is the missing number in the box? Add 7, 5, 9, 6 to 1, 4, 4, 5, and the sum is 9. Missing number: 4, 1. In the ones place, add 6 to 5, and the sum is 11. Digit 1 to be carried over to tens place. In the tens place, add 9 to 4, and to 1, and the sum is 14. Digit 1 to be carried over to hundreds place. In the hundreds place, add 5 to 4, and to 1, and the sum is 10. Digit 1 to be carried over to thousands place. The missing number is 0. The answer is 3. Question 11. Bobby had some rubber bands at first. After buying 1,300 rubber bands, he had 3,100 rubber bands. How many rubber bands did Bobby have at first? Subtract 1,300 from 3,100, and the difference is 1,800. The answer is 1. Question 12. Susan has 746 stickers. Linda has 122 more stickers than Susan. Andrew has 220 fewer stickers than Linda. How many stickers does Andrew have? The amount of stickers Linda has will be: add 746 to 122, and the sum is 868. The amount of stickers Andrew has will be: subtract 220 from 868, and the difference is 648. Andrew has 648 stickers. The answer is 2. Question 13. Mrs. Tan paid $24 for some oranges. Each bag of oranges cost $8. How many bags of oranges did she buy? The number of bags of oranges will be: divide $24 by $8, and the quotient is 3. Mrs. Tan bought 3 bags of oranges. The answer is 3. Question 14. Muthu wanted to pack 57 apples into as many bags as possible. Each bag had 9 apples. How many apples were not packed? The number of bags of apples will be: divide 57 by 9, and the quotient is 6. Remainder 3. 3 apples were not packed. The answer is 3. Question 15. There are 301 marbles in a packet. There are 7 such packets of marbles. How many marbles are there altogether? The total number of marbles will be multiply 301 by 7, and the product is 2107. The answer is 2. Question 16. A group of 63 children want to take a ride together on the Ferris wheel. Each cabin of the Ferris wheel can carry at most 6 children. What is the smallest number of cabins needed? The number of cabins needed will be divide 63 by 6, and the quotient is 10. Remainder 3. Smallest number of cabin needed is 11. The answer is 2. Question 17. Alvin scored 872 points. Bala scored 2 times as many points as Alvin had scored. Chandran scored 926 more points than Bala. How many points did Chandran score? The amount of points Bala scored will be multiply 872 by 2, and the product is 1744. The amount of points Chandran scored will be add 1744 to 926, and the sum is 2670. Chandran scored 2670 points. The answer is 4. Question 18. Meena had $20. She bought 2 books that cost $7.20 each. How much money did she have left? The cost of 2 books will be multiply $7.20 by 2, and the product is $14.40. The amount of money left will be subtract $14.40 from $20, and the difference is $5.60. The answer is 4. Question 19. Jimmy wants to buy a shirt for $43.60, and a book for $19.50. He has 5 $10 notes. How much more money does he need? The total cost of a shirt and a book will be add $43.60 to $19.50, and the sum is $63.10. Amount of 5 $10 notes will be multiply 5 by $10, and the product is $50. The amount of extra money he needs will be subtract $50 from $63.10, and the difference is $13.10. The answer is 1. Question 20. Jenny had $100. She spent as much money as she could to buy 2 of the toys as shown. Which toys did she buy? The cost of truck and robot will be add $37.90 to $59.25, and the sum is $97.15. The cost of teddy bear and truck will be add $44.85 to $37.90, and the sum is $82.75. The cost of teddy bear and robot will be add $44.85 to $59.25, and the sum is $104.10. The cost of basketball and rocket will be add $22.40 to $77.80, and the sum is $100.20. The 2 toys Jenny bought were truck and robot. The answer is 1. Nanyang Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Booklet B. Question 21. What is the missing number? Add 5,000 to missing number to 90, and to 8, and the sum is 5198. The missing number is 100. Question 22. Write 8,540 in numerals. $8,540 in numerals will be 8, 5, 4, 0. Question 23. A. Convert $6.05 to cents. B. Convert 1,325 to dollars. $1 is equal to 100 cents. $6 is equal to 600 cents. $6.05 is equal to 605 cents. A. Convert $6.05 to cents will be 605 cents. 100 cents is equal to $1. 1,000 cents is equal to $10. 1,325 cents is equal to $13.25. B. Convert 1,325 cents to dollars will be $13.25. Question 24. There were 1,365 roses. There were 2,123 sunflowers. How many roses and sunflowers were there in total? Add 1,365 to 2,123, and the sum is 3,488. There were 3,488 roses and sunflowers in total. Question 25. A basket can hold 8 eggs. How many eggs can 9 such baskets hold altogether? The number of eggs will be multiply 9 by 8, and the product is 72. 9 such baskets can hold 72 eggs. Question 26. There are 2 jars. Each jar contains 904 sweets. How many sweets are there in the 2 jars? The number of sweets in 2 jars will be multiply 904 by 2, and the product is 1,808. There are 1,808 sweets in the 2 jars. Question 27. What is the quotient when 425 is divided by 8? The quotient when 425 is divided by 8 is 53, remainder 1. The quotient is 53. Question 28. Use the digits below to form the smallest 4-digit even number. Each digit can only be used once. 2, 0, 1, 3, and 6. The smallest digit to be used in the thousands place is digit 1. It will not be a valid 4-digit number if 0 is used in the thousands place. The next smallest digit to be used in the hundreds place is digit 0. The next smallest digit to be used in the tens place is digit 2. The last digit to be used in the ones place is digit 6 instead of digit 3. as the 4-digit number, need to be an even number. The 4-digit even number is 1026. Question 29. What is the missing number in the box? Row 1 is a multiple of 5. The multiples are 5 and 10. Row 2 is a multiple of 6. The multiples are 6, 12, and 18. Row 3 is a multiple of 7. The multiples are 7, 14, 21, and 28. Row 4 is a multiple of 8. The multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. The missing number is 24. Question 30. Tanya had $1,712 more than Vivian. Mother gave $120 to Tanya. How much more money did Tanya have than Vivian in the end? The amount of money Tanya had will be, add $1,712 to $120, and the sum is $1,832. Tanya had $1,832 more than Vivian in the end. Question 31. What is the missing number? The number in the top row will be split into two numbers in the middle row. 7,676 is equal to, add 4,444 to 3,232. 8,497 is equal to, add 3,232 to 5,265. The number in the middle row will be split into two numbers in the bottom row. 4,444 is equal to, add 2,222 to 2,222. 3,232 is equal to, add 2,222 to 1,010. 5,265 is equal to, add 1,010 to missing number. Missing number will be, subtract 1,010 from 5,265, and the difference is 4,255. The missing number is 4,255. Question 32. Jamil had the following amount of money in his wallet. He bought a belt for $9.55. How much money did he have left? The amount of money Jamil had will be, add $10 to $5, to $2, to $2, to $1, to 20 cents, and to 5 cents, and the sum is $20.25. The amount of money left will be, subtract $9.55 from $20.25, and the difference is $10.70. Jamil had left with $10.70. Question 33. A bowl of noodles cost $3.80. A bowl of dessert cost $1.20 less than the bowl of noodles. Mei Ling bought a bowl of noodles and a bowl of dessert. How much did she spend in total? The cost of a bowl of dessert will be, subtract $1.20 from $3.80, and the difference $2.60. The amount of money Mei Ling spent will be, add $3.80 to $2.60, and the sum is $6.40. Mei Ling spent $6.40 in total. Question 34. To bake 8 cupcakes, Kai Sin needed a box of flour. She used 8 boxes of flour to bake some cupcakes. She gave all the cupcakes to 4 friends equally. How many cupcakes did each friend get? The total number of cupcakes baked will be multiply 8 by 8, and the product is 64. The number of cupcakes each friend get will be divide 64 by 4, and the quotient is 16. Each friend got 16 cupcakes. Question 35. Bala has 511 stamps. Ravi has 8 times as many stamps as Bala. How many stamps does Ravi have? The amount of stamps Ravi had will be multiply 511 by 8, and the product is 4088. Ravi had 4088 stamps. Question 36. Mr. Tan sold 789 bowls of dumplings. There were 3 dumplings in each bowl. How many dumplings did Mr. Tan sell? The amount of dumpling Mr. Tan sold will be multiply 789 by 3, and the product is 2367. Mr. Tan sold 2367 dumpling. Question 37. Harley had 725 erasers. He put all of them equally into 5 bags. How many erasers were there in each bag? The amount of erasers in each bag will be divide 725 by 5, and the quotient is 145. There were 145 erasers in each bag. Question 38. There were some passengers on a train at first. At a station, 750 passengers got on the train, and 900 passengers got off. In the end, there were 1,350 passengers on the train. How many passengers were there on the train at first? The number of passengers before got off the train will be add 1,350 to 900, and the sum is 2,250. The number of passenger before got on the train will be subtract 750 from 2,250, and the difference is 1,500. There were 1,500 passengers at first. Question 39. John and Mary baked some buns in a week. John baked 343 buns in that week. Mary baked twice as many buns as John in that week. Mary baked the same number of buns each day. How many buns did Mary bake each day? The number of buns Mary baked in a week will be multiply 343 by 2, and the product is 686. The number of buns Mary baked in each day will be divide 686 by 7, and the quotient is 98. Mary baked 98 buns each day. Question 40. There were 5 balls in a box. The balls were numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Mark picked 3 balls of different numbers from the box all at once. He added the numbers and got a sum of 10. How many possible ways could Mark pick the 3 different balls? The possible ways to get a sum of 10 will be ball 1, 4, and 5. Ball 2, 3, and 5. There are two possible ways Mark could pick 3 different balls to get a sum of 10. Question 41. Mr. Lee bought 9 crates of pears. Each crate contained 82 pears. A. How many pears did Mr. Lee buy? B. Mr. Lee sold 512 pears. How many pears did Mr. Lee have left? The number of pears will be multiply 82 by 9, and the product is 738. A. Mr. Lee bought 738 pears. The number of pears left will be subtract 512 from 738, and the difference is 226. B. Mr. Lee left with 226 pears. Question 42. Talon had 981 chocolate muffins, and some vanilla muffins. He packed all the chocolate muffins, and vanilla muffins equally into boxes. Each box contained 9 chocolate muffins, and 5 vanilla muffins. A. How many boxes did Talon pack? B. How many vanilla muffins did Talon have? There are 981 chocolate muffins, and 9 chocolate muffins in one box. The number of boxes will be divide 981 by 9, and the quotient is 109. A. Talon packed 109 boxes of muffins. The number of vanilla muffins will be multiply 109 by 5, and the product is 545. B. Talon had 545 vanilla muffins. Question 43. Wilson has some money. Xavier has half as much money as Wilson. Muthu has thrice as much money as Xavier. They have a total of $216. A. How much money does Xavier have? B. Xavier wants to buy a bag. He is short of $20.40. What is the cost of the bag? The total number of units from Wilson, Xavier, and Muthu will be 6 units. 6 units is equal to $216. 1 unit will be divide $216 by 6, and the quotient is $36. A. Xavier has $36. The cost of the bag will be add $36 to $20.40, and the sum is $56.40. B. The cost of the bag is $56.40. Question 44. Miss Ho needed to make some costumes for Chingay Parade. She made 120 shirts, and 80 dresses in the first week. She made 170 shirts, and 110 dresses in the second week. She made 220 shirts, and 140 dresses in the third week. She made 270 shirts, and 170 dresses in the fourth week. She continued to make the shirts and dresses in the same pattern for the following weeks. A. How many shirts did Miss Ho make in the fifth week? B. How many fewer dresses than shirts did Miss Ho make in the fifth? The difference on the amount of shirts made between the first week and second week will be subtract 120 from 170, and the difference is 50. The amount of shirts made increase at the same amount every week. The amount of shirts made on the fifth week will be add 270 to 50, and the sum is 320. A. Miss Ho made 320 shirts on the fifth week. The difference on the amount of dresses made between first week and second week will be subtract 80 from 110, and the difference is 30. The amount of dresses increase at the same amount every week. The amount of dresses made in the 5th week will be, add 170 to 30, and the sum is 200. The difference between the shirts and dresses made will be, subtract 200 from 320, and the difference is 120. B. Miss Ho made 120 fewer dresses in the 5th week. Question 45. A table had 4 legs, and a stool had 3 legs. Tina bought 2 more stools than tables. She counted a total of 90 legs on the tables and stools. How many stools did Tina buy? Tina bought 2 more stools than tables. We shall less off 2 stools so that the amount of tables and stools will be equal. The total number of legs, less off the number of legs for 2 stools will be, subtract 6 from 90, and the difference is 84. The total number of legs for 1 table, and 1 stool will be, add 4 to 3, and the sum is 7. The total number of tables will be, divide 84 by 7, and the quotient is 12. The number of stools will be, add 12 to 2, and the sum is 14. Tina bought 14 stools. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.